Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've just got a super quick unboxing of some subscriber mail. It's a little bit of happy mail unboxing. Just doing something a little bit quick today because this evening I will be live from 8 o'clock celebrating Ostara, and you are all very, very welcome to come and join me for that. So if you are seeing this on Monday, then 8 o'clock tonight I will be live. If you've missed it, please do head on over there and catch it on the replay if you would like to. But anyway, on with the unboxing. So this comes from the lovely Denise, or Dee. You may also know her as Maisie's Madhouse. Bless her. She says, "You are a beautiful person inside and out. Enjoy." She is incredibly kind and I feel very spoiled. This actually arrived on Mother's Day, so that was an extra special little thing. So, right, we have got Dovecraft washi tapes. So 3 meters per roll, 20 rolls, and they are all 10 millimeters in width. So that's a total of 60 meters of washi. So let's have a little look. Grab a little ceramic blade. Right, so what have we got? We have got, let's just see if you can get this in the light. So this one's got a lovely little leaf pattern going around the edge in a lilac colour. We've got stripes. Oh, this is nice. This is like a wood grain texture. We've got dainty flowers, like a little ditzy print. We've got love. This one would have been good last month. So, oh, this one, it says sent, first class, post office, fragile, special delivery. So a great one for decorating envelopes if you're sending gifts. Another stripy one, I like that. That'll be nice in the journal. This one's got poppies on it. They are my favourite flower. Another one that says special delivery. I love these muted tones. They're so pretty. Again, if you watched my planner video most recently, my most recent planner page is very neutral, muted colours. And actually, a lot of these would look really nice in this kind of a colour scheme, so worth remembering for next time I decide to do something like this. I will pop a link to this up in the eye so you can go check that out if you haven't seen it already. This one is flowers as well, slightly more so lilac-y flowers, little bunches, like little posies. White with flowers. Ooh, this one says handmade with love, so really nice, that one. Again, great for if you're decorating gifts. Floral with leaves, little yellow flowers and little lilac flowers. This is pretty, again great for edging journals, sort of floral pattern. We've got spots. We've got, this is like, I don't know if you can even see that, it's like a parquet wood floor, that kind of herringbone design. We've got another floral one. Is that the same? No, similar pattern to this one, but different colour. And then this one just says lots of love, lots of love, lots of love. So thank you ever so much, huge hearts to Dee, Maisie of Maisie's Madhouse. Please do go check her out. I will link her channel up in the eye and in the description for the video. Thank you. I was super surprised and super grateful to receive this. Again, these are Dovecraft washi tapes, 20 designs, 60 meters, and they came from Amazon. If anybody wants to check them out, I will pop the link for them in the description so that you can go and check them out for yourselves. There's a couple of different designs of boxes that they do. But yeah, these are very lovely. So thank you once again. Like I said, just super short and sweet from me today. And hopefully I will see you all at 8 o'clock tonight for my live. And if not, I will catch you on the replay. So until then, stay crafty. I just want to take this opportunity to give a huge shout out and thanks to my generous patrons. That is, in the outer circle, John Chidlow, Dylan Falconer and the wonderful Maisie's Madhouse. Find her on YouTube. And in the inner circle, the lovely Katerina Seplova.